Redbubble website has millions of visitors every month. The website traffic is increasing day by day. So don't get despair of not getting sales. Your next sale is along its way. Trending designs sell faster in Redbubble. So obviously it's better to make designs for trending. Hi friends. If you are new to my channel, this channel will motivate you and will bring good contents on how to make money online working from your comfort. If you are interested in this topic, subscribe to the channel, click the bell button for more videos twice a week. You may have known how to find the trending in Redbubble. If you go to the search bar and type a letter, you will find the first 3 trending terms in Redbubble. If this is the first time you hear about this, shout out it in the comment section and play the drums. But it's hard to type every letter to find trending terms for that letter. So I would like to share a free tool with you today to make it easy for you. Thank me later. The website called Bubble Trend has the list Redbubble trending on one page, so that it's easy to find a suitable trending term for your niche. Also, it mentions the competition for each trending design. Lower the result, lower the competition. I would advise you to make it more related to your niche. Like, let's say you have a store in the dog niche. Take this trending sentence, merge it with a dog image and make a meaningful design. Make sure it's an outstanding design out of trending designs. Start selling it. You will see the results. If this video brought you something valuable, let me know in the comment and click the like button. I will appreciate it. For more videos on how to make money online, smash that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you for watching my video.